Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Christmas decorative bow in less than 5 minutes. What you will need, I have this adorable 2.5-inch wide wire edged ribbon. It's so cute and precious. You can definitely go with ribbon that is thicker, thinner. You can even mix in thick and thin if you want a nice, fun, whimsical bow, whatever you prefer. Scissors and a hot glue gun. And I've been using this hot glue gun a lot lately. It is so nice. It heats up so fast. I love that it has the built-in base so that I can stand my glue gun up when not in use. And it has the on and off switch. So I felt like that was very handy. And it's just an overall great glue gun. So this hot glue gun can be purchased on Amazon. I will link it in the description box down below, along with my discount code where you can get an additional 10% off. All right, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to make 2 decorative bows. So I'm just folding it in half. And I did not measure. If you want the bows to be uniform, then definitely measure your pieces. But sometimes I just estimate. So I fold in half to make a nice little crease there. And then I'm going to open it. And I'm going to loop one side over the crease and loop the other side over the crease. Just kind of adjust it from there. That looks pretty even to me. Just like that. So I'm going to scrunch it in the center. I'm going to fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, just like that. And you can kind of adjust it and maneuver it. Just like that. It's going to make such a cute and adorable bow. Then we're going to cut another smaller piece. That should be enough just to kind of loop around. And I like to kind of fold the wire edged portion back and then place it in the center just like that and bring it around to the back. If you cut a long enough piece, you can definitely tie it in a knot at the back, but just so it's smoother and the back is flatter, I'm going to use my nifty hot glue gun to glue it in place. And just be careful as you're gluing it to not let the bow come loose. It shouldn't take too much hot glue. And just press it down. Glue gun, it gets hot really fast too. Just like that. And then I'll come back to the front and then adjust it and maneuver it one final time. Then I'm going to ribbon cut the ends. So I'm going to fold it in half, the open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top, and cut it at a diagonal. Fold it in half, open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top, and cut it at a diagonal. Just like that. Alright, we are going to do the exact same thing one more time. Get the center crease. Open it up, loop, and loop. And then you just adjust it. Just like that, and scrunch. So fold in half, bring the front and the back up. Just like that. I'm going to take my center portion. Again, I'm folding the wire edge portion back. And then I'm going to place it in the center. Just like this. And then hot glue it in place. And then you can still adjust and maneuver afterwards. And there you have it. 2 adorable decorative bows in less than 5 minutes. So cute, simple, and easy to do. You can keep the ends squared off if you choose to do so, but when I'm making decorative bows, I think it's just so cute and precious to make it like that. You can even add floral wire or ribbon and make it an ornament, and you can place these on your Christmas tree. You can even glue it to a centerpiece or to a vase, or use it on your front door or a tree, whatever you'd like. They're just so cute and precious, and you can just adjust the color, adjust the size. If you want a larger bow, then make it larger. If you want a smaller bow, then you can make it smaller. The possibilities are endless, but it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. And it takes less than 5 minutes.